Welcome to the Haplast YouTube channel. Today we'll guide you through an important step in packaging product quality testing, tensile testing. Step 1. Preparation. Get the test samples ready along with a cutter, ruler, pen, and the testing machine. Step 2. Conducting the test. For longitudinal testing, cut the bag film into more than 6 samples, each 1.5 cm wide. For transverse testing, cut the bag film into more than 6 samples, each 1.5 cm wide. Step 3. Setting up the machine. Input the product code and thickness. For longitudinal tensile testing, set an initial distance of 10 cm. For transverse tensile testing, set an initial distance of 5 cm. Secure the prepared samples in the clamps of the tensile testing machine and test each sample one by one. The machine will generate results for all 6 samples and provide an average, detailing the stretch percentage and tensile force. Step 4. Evaluation. Compare the results to the factory's quality standards and the approved customer sample. Determine if the quality passes or fails. Document the results in the summary file and send the report.